Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how we can create e-commerce website using AI tool like V0. So for that you just have to type V0 and on Google you will get several suggestions. So you need to click on first, which is V0.dev. So you haven't signed up for this is amazing tool. You can sign up. You can create small applications freely because I am using it for a while and I have created many small projects using this tool. So this tool has expertise in two languages as far as I know as of now, React and Next.js. So here in this video, for example, I'm going to create e-commerce website using React. So I will just mention build e-commerce website using React, and it should have the functionalities like product listing, mock description and prices, and add to cart feature. This is very surface level information that I'm giving to this chat prompt, but if you have more refined version of requirement, you can mention in this text box, and once you click enter, it will start analyzing what it has to build, and it will accordingly start creating the file. So here I am clicking enter. Now you can see the first step is thinking, so it will create the roadmap for that tool. Okay, so it has started creating the files, and on the left hand side it will tell us like what are the things it is following. So it is constructing the files. On the right hand side you can just see it is one by one creating the file, and here we go. We haven't even this tool has not even taken 1 minute to build this project, right? So if you have many ideas in your mind and you don't know how to build any application, you can very well use this tool like V0.dev or bolt.new. So here you can see this has this product listing as well, and each one has the add to cart functionality as well. See, whenever I am adding this, it is getting added to my cart as well. So let me make it full screen, and here you can see. Okay, and if you want to add more things to it, you can mention in this chat window, and it will automatically add those functionality into your existing project. So here on the left hand side there is chat window. On the right hand side you can see three things. One is console. If there are any errors or something like that, it would be prompted over here. There is this code section where you can check the file names, file content, whatever it has. In the preview section you can see the preview of the website, and if you want to download this code, right, so you can click on add to this code base and you can click on download zip. So it will download all the files and you can integrate in your local as well. Okay, so here we have a lot of features. So this is very surface level information that I have provided in this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos like this, then you can mention in the comments as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.